Hello, I'm Death Pixel, and welcome back to another Pixel Gun 3D video. This one is just a video that I want to talk about something, and that is the kind of players in Pixel Gun 3D. And I'm going in depth on them, specifically two that I really hate. Um, the first one is I'm talking about the type of players that are bad, and that are like hurting the community. So let's start with the dater. The dater is practically someone who only goes on Sandbox Quiet Island or Winter Party and just, dates, I guess. Yeah, that people say that's one of the most cancerous things of the community, but they back before Sandbox Quiet Island was introduced in 11.1, they were very annoying because you can find them in practically any server, and it would just disrupt everyone's gameplay, and it would practically be a bad. And if someone has them on the team, if they're not like doing anything, then if you have them on your team, they're pretty annoying, and they'll probably hurt you in the long run. And if you're in the server where that data is not on your team, then you practically just have free kills for days. But now, since Quiet Island is introduced, they're not that big of a problem in the regular servers, the servers that the game is supposed to be for. And the next one is one that I practically wanted to rant about, and that is the infamous tryhard. Oh boy. The tryhard is practically someone who jumps around all over the place to be agile as possible, like what I'm doing. They use the same exact loadout every single time, and it's always consisting of the Secret Forces rifle, the Dead Star or turbo pistols. Actually, not much of the turbo pistols anymore. The Dark Force saber for more speed, for more agility. The The trapper, and either the prototype or the anti-hero rifle. These, which is practically, that is the tryhard loadout. Now, there's actually a difference. People confuse tryhards and pros as the same people. Well, they are not. For starters, pros are people who still jump around and all that, but practically know how to use every single weapon that they have at their disposal. So they can, for instance, be good at using the red twins, while also be good while using the dual Uzis and stuff like that. And so they're actually more fun to be around because they actually have fair loadouts, so you can have a chance to actually beat them. And the tryhard is a different story. They practically are worse than the daters because they disrupt the gameplay and are practically like daters, but have the opposite effect of the daters before the 10.1 update, which again is if there was a dater on your team, you would practically leave because that means you don't have a player actually doing what they're supposed to doing, and that is shooting people. And for the other team, that's good because again, free kills for days. It's the opposite, and practically if you're on a team with a tryhard, it is not fun for either side because one, the tryhard will always get the most kills, and meaning you won't get the top prize. And that is why I hate tryhards. And there's another one that is an equal problem, and that is the spammer. The spammer is someone who picks a class, usually now the special and premium class, and just uses that for the whole round, not even acknowledging that the other four exist. And the spamming weapons is practically the smart bullet bazooka and the trapper, and it's easy for a spammer to get their little hands a hold of because they cost coins and not gems, as what usually the good weapons of that caliber cost. So yeah, that's why I don't like the spammers and tryhards. Another thing is tryhards don't make the game fun for anyone because they can just mow down people, and that will practically make everyone in the server mad. And yeah, that it'll just do that. And if the person's a tryhard, that just shows they have no intention of having fun in the game. All they want to do is just shoot people. And I know that's what the game is for, but when you're not really a tryhard, at least you're having fun. At least if there isn't a tryhard in the match. And I'm probably not making sense anymore. I guess that's okay. Oh well, at least someone will one day understand me, or not. So yeah, those are the types of people in Pixel Gun that I don't really like. And yeah, basically I have a way to solve the issue of the tryhards and the spammers, and that is nerf the small bazooka and the trapper, which will be pretty handy, so more people can have a chance to win. And also, yeah, that. I mean, the switching thing is actually pretty annoying if you know what I'm getting at. But yeah, I will see you later. Bye.